You will need 4 sections of 1-inch rope, about 54 inches each. Make a loop with 2 of the sections as shown. Take the next 2 sections of rope and lay them across the loop. Go under the first set of ends and then over the second set of ends. Then go under, over, and under again. Straighten out your Carrick Bend so it is the shape that you want. Stitch all 4 pairs of ends down so that the knot is stable when you hang it up. You'll also want to whip all the ends and cut them to the desired length.